Okay, we're going to use the Young Living Pure Protein Complete, and we use 1 scoop, 2 scoops. Woohoo! Going for broke here. So we use 2 scoops of that into 1 glass. We'll fill it up with 8 ounces of glass, 8 ounces of water. Put in some frozen raspberries. Those frozen raspberries right there. And here we're set up right now at 2, 2.5 or so into our
It stopped. There you have it.
Okay, so there it is. It's a 4-in-1 hand blender. Okay, so you just push the 2 red buttons on the side of that thing, and it pops right off. You're ready to wash it right up. You can throw it right into your dishwasher or wash it by hand. If you guys have any questions, put them down below.